All right, so we have GTA 6 before GTA 6 being out. And that is thanks to Genie from
Genie.
Google. Now that is, Genie 3, it's out. If you are in the US and you have the Ultra plan, that is, I believe, like 200 plus USD per month, you can create these open world, not video. This is, well, technically, this is an interactive video. This works like a game. You can use your keyboard to navigate. So you start with an image, and then you take that image and create worlds with it. It's really, really cool. And like the future of games is going to be so fun. And
AI
people make all types of things with it. Yes.
That's incredible.
So this is about Greenland version of GTA 6.
Oh god.
Which is, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
That looks I mean, I'm watching over a screen share, but the graphics look pretty good.
It looks pretty good, and there are like some types of physics, and it's really good. And you can imagine like a future where like from games to like even like everything could be generated, be a generated frame. I don't know, but it looks like it. It could. It is definitely the end of the gaming studios. I wouldn't say the end because I don't know, they will use them, but it's the same idea that a one-person company could exist that could like create like amazing products. So imagine like stories here that like it's about your imagination and kind of like direction that you give it, the story that you can create. It's no more the matter of like the technology, even though it's still not completely there, but it is. I mean, man, this looks really, really good. I saw this comment, and this comment is quite mean and funny. Imagine naming your company after the metaverse and not coming up with this. This is, I mean, this is the video directly from Google DeepMind, and this is just so good. So you can create an image with Nana Banana Pro or whatever, and then you create a character, and this is
it's all based on the same framework then. A character that moves around a world, yeah?
Yes.
Got it.
Yes.
What do you think is I mean, obviously it's research, but what do you think people are going to do with this other than just play? That's cool. That's really cool.
Oh man, like...
That's cool as well.
This can...
That's random. Spaceman on the
This can be like from schools, like power from school to...
That's crazy. That's cool.
Like other types of like adult industries. It could like take on the whole society in a way. Like imagine in schools, like you could teach science with this. And the adult industry is potentially right now is on it to create this type of whatever games.
Oh, cool. So it's uploaded a photo of the cat in the living room. It's just built the living room and you're able to control it. Yeah. No way. I struggle to believe how like the graphics are just so good. It's
so good. And it requires this like $200+ dollar subscription.
And I bet you can only, because I remember before you can only run it for like 30 seconds or like 5 minutes or something like that.
Yeah. But this is just a start. Like,
yeah.
I think this is going to take over so much, and there was I almost didn't want to mention, but I'm gonna mention. So there was this Joe Rogan podcast with Elon Musk. I didn't watch the entire thing, that specific one. I believe that's the last podcast they had. I watched a short video of it where Elon says there won't be any UI. It will be all generated, like video generated, and this makes it very likely. I don't know how costly it is, but I mean, if we are moving towards that future where it gets really cheap and really fast, it might actually get there where you like the majority of the things you're going to see on a screen to be AI generated, a generated frame instead of an app that works. It could be just an interactive video in a way.
Yeah. Definitely.
I'm not saying it's cheaper, but I don't know. It could be it.
It's cool. I wish I had that. I wish I was in the US and I wish I had that plan, because it looks like a lot of fun. Probably the novelty will wear off soon, but like, you know, some very creative ideas that they've got put in that thing. So
this is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.